Hello viewers, welcome back to UPSC Warriors channel. Today we have a breaking news coming in from Manipur, where the National People's Party, one of the key constituents of the BJP hinged National Democratic Alliance and the Northeast Democratic Alliance, withdraws its support to the Biren Singh government in Manipur. So what is happening in Manipur? Let's quickly get into the political chaos as well as the recent violence that has led to at least more than 20 people to die right from this November 7th. So recently, 6 bodies of the abducted people were recovered, and that includes a woman of 61 years old and a 2-year-old kid along with 8 months old child. So this led people of Manipur to step into violence, and they started to surround the houses and the properties of the people's representative and set them on fire. So even the house of the Chief Minister of Manipur, Biren Singh, and some of the ministers, Sangam Ranjan's houses and properties were set on fire. So this led the National People's Party of the Manipur to write a letter to the BJP President JP Nadda stating that Biren Singh has failed to solve or restore the peace in Manipur, and we are going to withdraw the support. So what is going to happen next? Let's delve into the political consequences of this kind of violence happening in Manipur. Let's start with the Manipur's assembly seats. Manipur has got a total number of 60-member assembly seats, which are distributed across these parties in power, starting from the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has 32 seats for its own, and Naga People's Front has got 5 seats. We have National People's Party getting 7 seats, and Janata Dal has 6 seats. Indian National Congress has 5 seats. Kuki People's Alliance has got 2 seats, and we also have some 3 independent seats in Manipur's Legislative Assembly. Of all these seats, we can see that 7 out of 60 seats are taken by this particular NPP alone. We have 5 out of 60 by Congress, and we have 37 out of 60 by BJP and its alliances, and we have totally 53 out of 60. That is a good number of seats held by this BJP and NPP alone in Manipur. Moving on from here, in addition to this 7 members of NPP, we also have some of the MLAs even from the BJP, expressing concern by writing to the Prime Minister to remove the Chief Minister of the Manipur and replace it with someone else. This is the level of chaos that is happening in Manipur. Before moving into that, I have a quick announcement to make here. UPSC CSE subscription on your Unacademy platform is now available for just 24,999 rupees if you use my subscription code, that is RIYA50, where you will be able to access the educators, that is the top educators classes, not just in English but also in English as well as in the Hindi batch. So please subscribe immediately, and let's get back to the topic now. So will it lead to fall of government in Manipur? No. Why? Because it is unlikely to destabilize the government, since the BJP is having the majority still there, that is 32 seats. Okay, and if we look at the BJP's allies also, including JU and Naga's People Front with 5 seats, continue to support the government alongside 3 independent MLAs, it is not that likely or it is not that immediate for us to expect that Biren Singh government will fall. But what will happen if there is a no confidence motion that is going to happen in Manipur? So what is mean by no confidence motion? It is a formal way granted by the constitution, okay, for the members of the Lok Sabha to express their lack of confidence in the government. Okay, that is, if we say government, it means Prime Minister and Council of Ministers when it comes to union level, State Minister and State Council of Ministers when it comes to the state level, right? To express their concern that they lack confidence in the government. So according to Article 75, from where do we get this power of no confidence motion? It is through Article 75, which states that the Council of Ministers should be collectively responsible to the House of the People. So according to Article 75, the Council of Ministers ministers are expected to, collectively be responsible to the members of the Lok Sabha in case of union government, to the members of the state legislative assembly when it comes to the state government. So when they are not gaining the confidence of the House of the members, then these members will have the power to pass the no confidence motion and then even dissolve the government. So how they can do that? So no confidence motion is generally passed using simple majority. That is, if 50% plus 1 of the people present and vote in favor of this motion stating that we do not have confidence in the government, then the government should resign. Okay, so if the no confidence motion is passed, then it is expected for the government to dissolve and resign. All the members should resign immediately. So this is about no confidence motion. If something of that sort happens in Manipur, so what we can expect out of it? Do you think that the Biren's government is likely to lose its support and become a minority government, so that the government is getting collapsed? So what do you think? Please drop a message in the comment section. And I have some interesting facts for you here. So far we have almost 26. So far we have almost 26 no confidence motion moved so far, and the first ever no confidence motion was moved by J.P. Kripalani against the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1963. Okay, and it was the Indira Gandhi government to witness or go through maximum number of no confidence motions. And here is the list that we have of the no confidence motion moved against different governments. That is Narasimha Rao government, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and then Manmohan Singh government. And this is the result of the no confidence motion. It is not always that the no confidence motion gets passed. It is unlikely. At some time the no confidence motion will not be passed, but still it is very powerful to instill a sense of responsibility in the government that is actually running the state, right? Okay. And then, so what would be the possible outcomes? As we already discussed, that this is something that is not going to immediately take out the government of Biren Singh, but it is very, powerful enough to instill a sense of responsibility and put the government in pressure to take care of the situation and control the violence that is happening there. And that is why even Amit Shah has left immediately from Maharashtra in leaving his electoral rally to Delhi, so as to discuss about the security situations happening in Manipur. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to UPSC Warriors channel, please subscribe, and please do drop a message in the comment section. What do you think that is going to happen in Manipur? Thank you so much. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.